While working on an idea or goal, you encounter many people who try to discourage you, criticize you, or straightforwardly tell you not to do what you are doing. They are naysayers. In this video, I'm going to share with you what their types are and how to deal with them. Many times in life, we encounter someone who seems to be our beneficiary, but they try to stop us from doing something we are doing. Are they afraid of something? Do they lack perspective? Or are they truly our beneficiaries? Based on my observations, I can categorize these individuals into 3 types. Also share with you how you can deal with them. Idea junkies. These people have a lot of ideas. They remember the success stories of other people. They know what is required to be successful, but their actual lives are miserable. They try to drag you into the discussion and show you that they know the valid reasons for your failures. They share a similar idea implemented by Mr. XYZ. But they failed. Actually, they know what you are going to accomplish in your life. And they did not want you to advance in life. When they told you that you would not be able to succeed, under the hood, they were saying that I could not do that. Why are you doing it? These people have a lot of ideas. And they got tired of implementing some ideas in their lives. The problem with them is not you, but themselves. They have a lot of ideas. They implemented some ideas, but when pressure or unsatisfactory results emerged, they lost interest and abandoned their work. Actually, they did not tell you couldn't do that. Instead, they are saying they could not do that. They told you that instead of doing what you are doing, there are alternative ideas on which you have to work. The idea you are working on is worthless and out of date. The best solution for these people is to just listen to them and not act. If they insist, just ask them about any achievements in their life. Time wasters. These people just come to you to kill their time. They have a lot of spare time. They enjoy conversation, they engage you in unnecessary discussion. They know they are going to waste your time. Instead of encouraging you, they discourage you because they need time from you. Instead of succeeding or failing, they just want to enjoy your company. They told you that when life is easy, why are you putting your time into working on some ideas? Enjoy your life. You will find these people in exactly the same position as they are. The solution to this is to avoid them at all costs. They are just energy and resource drainers. Critical buster. These types of people exist everywhere. Unknowingly, they want to become your boss. They have problems with every solution. They told you that your work is not good. You need to make extraordinary efforts to achieve something. They try to discourage you by finding mistakes in your work. They told you that other people were doing much better than you. Basically, they are useless people. They always have problems with each solution. They cannot give you a solution, but they criticize and find problems in every situation. Compared to idea junkies, critical busters have some achievements in their lives. They did not allow other people to grow. They intentionally critique your work. Their basic purpose is to discourage you. The only solution for these people is to evade their criticism. Never take things personally. Just consider it an opinion. If you find something good in criticism, work on it. If it is just for the sake of crushing you, just ignore it. These critic busters have some achievements in their lives. Always deal with them proactively. Never give them a reactive response. Success does not come easily, it takes time and patience, and slow and steady wins the race. You have to stay persistent. When negativity enters your life, it presents a challenge to overcome. When Naysayers tells you that, due to a certain reason, you cannot do that, don't ignore them, knowing that they actually told you that you can do that. Take it as a challenge. Put in your efforts. When these people discourage you and you are unintentionally getting low, just consider why. I hope you liked this video. See you in another video.